right? Yesterday we seen types of data structure. There are total 8 different types of data structure, right? Logical, physical, linear, non-linear, static, dynamic, right? Total 8 types of data structure आपण पाहिलेले आहेत. ओके, कालच्या लेक्चर मध्ये. सो इन टुडेज टॉपिक ऑपरेशन्स ऑन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, आज आपण कोणता टॉपिक बघणार आहे? the operations which we can perform on data structure. काल आपण types पाहिले. There are different 8 types of data structure. So now we can perform total 6 different operations on particular data structure. How many? 6. So first one is traversing, searching, insert, delete, sort, and merge. Means what? Total 6 different types of operations we can perform on data structure, right? Screen दिसते का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can perform total 6 different types of operation. म्हणजे आपण हे 6 operations data structure वर implement करू शकतो. So we can see one by one all the operations, what is the meaning and what is the actual working of all the operations. Okay, so first operation is traversing. Okay, first operation is traversing. Operations on data structure, traversing. Okay, so see this, this is first example or first operations which we can perform on the data structure. That is first example. Okay, this is traversing. Traversing means what? Data structure contains all the elements. Here array is a one type of data structure, that is linear data structure or static data structure, right? Here array contains 6 different elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 elements are there, right? Total 6 elements. So traversing means what? Accessing each record exactly once so that every element in the record may be processed. This accessing or processing is also called as visiting. Means what? We have to access each and every element which is stored inside data structure. So here, this is the example of array. Array contains 6 elements. So we have to access 1 first, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So we will get all the elements which are stored inside the array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 6 elements are there. ओके, सो हे 6 एलिमेंट आपण ऍक्सेस करू शकतो. ट्रॅव्हर्सिंग मीन्स जस्ट ऍक्सेसिंग ऑल द एलिमेंट्स विच आर स्टोर्ड इन द ॲरे. बघा ॲरे मध्ये किती एलिमेंट आहेत? 6 एलिमेंट्स आहेत. सो वन बाय वन वी कॅन ऍक्सेस ऑल द एलिमेंट्स, वी कॅन व्हिजिट ऑल द एलिमेंट्स. सो व्हिजिटिंग, ओके, मीन्स जेवढे एलिमेंट स्टोर्ड असतील त्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला आपण काय करतो? व्हिजिट करतो. देन नेक्स्ट इज सर्चिंग. ओके, second operation is searching. Searching means what? Find out. Okay, this is the second operation which we can perform on the data structure. Searching means what? Finding the location of the record with given key value. Finding the locations of all records which satisfy one or more condition. Here, this is the example of searching. Here this is my array. Array contains 6 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Total 6 elements are there. Total 6 elements are there. So we have to access or we have to find out whether 3 is stored inside the array or not. Okay, by seeing we understand, yes, at the third position 3 is stored. But that is not searching operation. Searching operation always starts from your first record, first element. येते लक्षात? म्हणजेच काय? फाइंडिंग द लोकेशन ऑफ द रेकॉर्ड विथ गिवन की व्हॅल्यू. आता की व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय, जी व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला सर्च करायची, द सर्चिंग व्हॅल्यू. हियर आय वॉन्ट टू सर्च वेदर 3 इज स्टोर्ड इनसाइड द ॲरे ऑर नॉट, सो माय की व्हॅल्यू इज 3. येते लक्षात, 3 आपल्याला सर्च करायचं, सो की व्हॅल्यू इज 3. सो 3 आपण सर्च करणार आहे ॲरे मध्ये. सो फर्स्ट आय कम्पेअर 3 विथ फर्स्ट लोकेशन एलिमेंट. व्हॉट इज द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट?
1.
1, right? So now check whether 3 and 1 are equal or not. So here we will get these are not equal. So now access second element. So now our pointer goes to the second location. So now second location contains value 2. So now check your key value and your second location value, that is 3, whether it is equal or not. Not equal. So again access next element, that is 3. So next element is 3 and our key value is also 3. So both are equal. So match is fine, right? So here computer gives the answer, yes, searching is completed, because 3 is present at the third location, that is index number 0, 1 and 2. Second index वर 3 element stored आहे. That is called as searching. आता सर्चिंग करताना आपण ट्रॅव्हर्सिंग पण करतोय. पहिल्या एलिमेंट पासून सर्च करतोय, बट ट्रॅव्हर्सिंग म्हणजे काय, आपण एंडच्या एलिमेंट पर्यंत ट्रॅव्हर्स करत जाणार, व्हिजिट करत जाणार. बट सर्चिंग कुठे एंड होतोय, ज्यावेळी आपल्याला एलिमेंट फाइंड आउट होतोय त्या पोझिशनला सर्च ऑपरेशन स्टॉप होतोय. कळतंय दोघांमधला डिफरन्स? सर्चिंग अँड ट्रॅव्हर्सिंग. ट्रॅव्हर्सिंग मीन्स visit all the data, visit all the elements. Searching means find out the particular record, find out the particular element. ओके, सगळ्यांना समजले का दोन ऑपरेशन, ट्रॅव्हर्सिंग अँड सर्चिंग?
Sir, one question.
यस.
Sir, key value is the index value or the store value?
इंडेक्स व्हॅल्यू.
Sir, means it is written as key value. So what is key value, sir?
Key value means the value which we want to search. Here I want to find out whether 3 is stored inside array or not, so our key value becomes 3. Suppose I want to search whether 10 is stored inside the array or not, so my key value becomes 10 here. So find out 10 and 1 is equal, no, so access second element. 10 and 2 equal, no, so next element. 10 and 3 is equal, no. 10 and 4 is equal, no. 10 and 5 is equal, no. 10 and 6 is equal, no. So here our computer says that there is no matching element in the array. So searching is complete, but there is no match record is found, right? Because our key value is different and array contains different elements. Okay, search operation is performed, but our key value is not matched with the array element. Okay, so
Yes.
next is insert operation. Third one is insert operation. Next operation number 3, that is insert operation, third operation. Okay, so here adding new element in data structure is called as insertion. Okay, so first here array is declare integer array of 5 elements. Basically inside computer's memory 5 different location, 5 sequential locations are created, but there is no value. So after inserting element 1, then 1 is stored at 0 index, 3, then 3 is stored at third index, 8 is stored at second index, 23 stored at third index, and 99 stored at 99 at fourth index. So this is called as insertion. Okay, so here insertion means what, adding new element in the data structure, right? म्हणजे आपण array जो डिक्लेअर केलेला आहे, बेसिकली हा एम्प्टी आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये नंतर आपण काय केलेले एलिमेंट ऍड केलेले आहेत, 1, 3, 8, 23 and 99. So this is called as insert element into data structure. So this is very simple. The next one is next condition, insertion at particular location. Okay. आता इथे बघा, here this is my base array. It contains 25, 14, 56, 15 and 36. And here I want to store value to be inserted 35 in the index position second. आता index position second कोणती आहे? ही. Means 56 is stored at the index position second. And I want to update this record. I want to store 35 instead of 56. मग काय होणार आहे? आपण ते particular location find out करणार, second location, and then here we update the value 56 by 35. Now 35 is stored into this array. Other elements are not changed. Other elements are. आता मग काय होतंय array मध्ये, जर array ची साईज जास्त असेल तरच आपण नवीन एलिमेंट इन्सर्ट करू शकतो. आता 35 56 च्या पोझिशन वर 35 इथे ऍड झालेला आहे. देन व्हॉट अबाउट 56? 56 इज शिफ्टेड टू दी राईट साइड. बघा इथे 56 शिफ्ट झालेला आहे, त्याच्या पुढे 15 आणि नंतर 36 हे एलिमेंट पुढे शिफ्ट झालेले आहेत. 25 आणि 14 त्याच पोझिशनला आहे. मीन्स व्हॉट, वेन वी ऍड न्यू एलिमेंट इन दी ॲरे. ओके, आता मला सेकंड पोझिशनला 35 पाहिजे, राईट? सो 35 इज ऍडेड, बट व्हॉट अबाउट 56? 56 इज shifted to the right. Then 15 shifted to the next index position and 36 shifted to the next. But array ची साइज मग 6 हवी आहे. array मध्ये जर 6 लोकेशन असतील तरच आपण न्यू एलिमेंट ऍड करू शकतो, इथे लक्षात. सो दिस इज अनदर एक्झाम्पल ऑफ इन्सर्ट. The next one, delete operation. Okay, it is very simple again. Delete means what? Removing an element from the data structure. So here my elements are 10, 20, right? 30, 40 and 50. Okay, these are the empty cells. There is no data. This is my original array. Okay, I want to delete 20 from the array. So what will happen? 20 is deleted and 30 is shifted to the left side, right? So 30 is shifted, then 40 is shifted to the 30th position and 50 is shifted to the 40th position. So our new array becomes 10, 30, 40, 50. Okay, this is not stored, this is empty cells now. Okay, कारण 50 काय झालाय, 50 ची पोझिशन ही होती, बट आता 50 कुठे गेलेला आहे, लेफ्ट साइडला शिफ्ट झालाय, बिकॉज 20 इज डिलीटेड फ्रॉम द array. Means what? For insert it is shifted to the right and for delete it is shifted to the left position. Okay, then now next is sorting. Next operation we can perform on the data structure, that is sorting. We will see sort operation in the second unit. There are different process, different techniques available for sort operation. Okay, what is sort? Sort means what? Arranging data elements in certain manner, whether it is ascending or descending. Okay, ascending means what? Smaller element to larger element, highest. And descending means what? Highest to smallest, opposite. That is called as sorting. Okay, you have to decide whether sort the element in ascending order or descending order, smallest to highest, highest to smallest. So this is my original array, 5, 2, 8, 7 and 1, and I want to sort this element in ascending order. So 1 is goes at the first position and 8 is the largest element, it is stored at the last position. So 1, then 2 is stored here, 5 is stored here, then 7 and then 8. So this is ascending order. What about descending? Descending means opposite of that. 8 is stored first, 8, 7, 5, 2 and 1. Okay. This is ascending sorting and this is descending sorting. Okay. So this is the fifth operation we can perform on the data structure, that is sort. Then next sixth operation. Okay. This is 6 1 merge. Merge means what? Combining the data of two different lists into single list is called as merging. Means what? I have array 1 and array 2 and I want merge these two array into single array. Merge means combining. Here 5, 8, then here sorting is perform also. बघा इथे सॉर्ट पण केलेला आहे डेटा आणि दोन्ही ॲरे कंबाईन केलेले आहेत. 5, 8 देन 10 फर्स्ट ॲरेचा स्टोअर झालाय. 11 देन 15, 15, 22, 70, 80 and 90. Means what? Here array 1 and array 2 are combined. That is called as merge operation. Merge. So here total 6 operations we can perform on the data structure, each and every data structure. So these are the operations. Traversing means visiting, searching means find out, insert means insert new element, delete element, sort the data and combine the data, that is called as merge. So this is very simple 6 operations. Okay. समजले का सगळ्यांना 6 ऑपरेशन्स डेटा स्ट्रक्चरचे?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will see algorithm complexity, that is last point of first unit. Okay. Already आपण काही एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केले होते, बट आपण आज परत एकदा रिवाइज करणार आहोत. So algorithm complexity, there are 3 points: time complexity, space complexity and problems to calculate frequency count. Okay.